Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people, in today's video, we want to talk about Squash, 6ixBoss father, big breeze up in a them town, Mr. Whitaker. So people, we have some information for Squash 6ixBoss father and how Squash 6ixBoss father actually got arrested. So we are take that one here from nationwide. So people, in a September, ICE running and arrest Squash 6ixBoss father. The ICE and the FBI did a work. So the feds them been a pre-Squash 6ixBoss father. So Squash 6ixBoss actually have a appeal hearing where him go agree if he take the appeal and start snitch and start inform and give the feds them some credible information. So Squash 6ixBoss father, Mr. Whitaker, actually turn up a Squash court appeal, and then the ICE running upon him and actually arrest him. So the feds, the FBI been a watch Squash 6ixBoss father, but they make the immigration people ICE running upon him and arrest him because him illegal. And me tell you, say, when the feds them a work, them do everything by the book, and they make sure say them cross them T and dot them I's. When the feds running upon you, you don't have no way to escape. Them have a 90% conviction rate. Wanna remember when Squash did get arrested and the feds them have Squash 6ixBoss? Remember how them did get Squash 6ixBoss? Remember, say the feds actually watch when Squash 6ixBoss going at the Mercedes Benz scene, and them know say the person where drive the Mercedes Benz actually have a suspended license, so him not supposed to drive. Plus him also run a red light. Him fail fi actually go by the road rules. So what the feds them do, call local police and make the Miami-Dade Police Department trail Squash 6ixBoss them and stop them in a traffic stop. So the feds them work, them link with every department, plus them over every department, so them know how to do them thing by law, and them know every law, plus them study every rule and know it by the books. So when they running past Squash 6ixBoss, they make local police do the traffic stop, and also where the feds them do after that, them tell the local police them to drop the charge. After the local police drop the charge, the feds them now running and charge Squash 6ixBoss on 2 count of an illegal immigrant and also an illegal immigrant with a machine where you have no license for. And also being an illegal immigrant with a machine gun as well, cause the chip Glock where them catch him with, then chip it and it turn into a machine gun. So no civilian not supposed to have it. So when the feds want you, them a go get you and them a go hold on for you. Then we go through the right channels them for hold on for you. Just like how them go through the Miami-Dade local police for arrest Squash 6ixBoss. I saw them get Squash 6ixBoss in a custody. And now where them do, them want Squash 6ixBoss father. So them link up with ICE, them link up with the immigration people, and make the immigration people them actually hold Squash 6ixBoss as a undocumented immigrant, an illegal immigrant. That mean you enter the United States of America illegally. You come through the border. So the feds them been a what Squash 6ixBoss We been tell squad 6ixBoss father, same chat too much. We been tell squad 6ixBoss father, same talk too much. Because if the feds them are watch squad 6ixBoss, that mean to say them are go watch the father and them are go watch everybody we associate themselves with squad 6ixBoss. So everybody we in contact with squad 6ixBoss, them are pay attention to. So everybody we squad 6ixBoss call, them record the phone call them, and them a pre them people and them a watch them people plus the whole of the phone them a go bug, and plus them have Jamaicans where work with them, we can decode all of the street slang them, all of the street terms them. So certain terms one of them on the phone I use and feel like say them now understand it. Them have Jamaican where work with them. Jamaican Constabulary Force at Jamaica at work. Plus is a department where always I get people from every diaspora, every country, every nationality for work with them. Plus them have AI and all of them thing there we can decode every information. But don't tell on us say the feds them have every resources at them hand. So everything one know say them know. And remember, so when squad 6ixBoss in a Chrome, when him find himself in the ICE detention center, them say them have over 300 phone call. Everybody will squash call and link them watch them people and pray them people. That's why when you find yourself in a situation with the feds, nobody no want link you. That's why cartel them have to stay away. Every artist have to stay away. That's why we tell Marley Dan say stay away, because when the feds involved, nobody no want get involved with you, because when the feds are watch, them are watch everybody. So everybody are gonna take with themselves. Me tell you about Bobby Smurda back in idea. And me tell you say Bobby Smurda was one of the hottest rapper. And when the feds them start pre him and him find himself in a situation where him and the feds them all bump head, everybody take with themselves. The Drake, the 50 Cent, the Snoop Dogg, the Kevin Hart, the same thing with P. Diddy as well. You know, see, once P. Diddy get involved with the feds, everybody take with themselves. Jay-Z said him and P. Diddy are no friend. Him and P. Diddy just a business partner. Everybody stop unfollow P. Diddy. You know see a LeBron James take away himself. You know see a P. Diddy one out there fight for himself. Nobody now support P. Diddy. Nobody now say free Diddy. Cause once you start say free Diddy, the feds are gonna pray you. And once the feds start pray you, problem are gonna did. Any skeleton wanna have in our closet, every text, every video, every picture, every phone call is being recorded. It has stored in the cloud. Every platform has stored information. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, the phone them, all of them information they on hard drive every day in the cloud. Them store it on backup. So we did done and tell squad 6ixBoss, say anybody in call or anybody will link him, anybody will say free squad 6ixBoss. That mean you go against the feds. Plus you don't want the feds as no enemy. So the feds been a pre squad 6ixBoss father, and squad 6ixBoss father dumb duns no have no sense in jumpy. Remember say the man go pa nightly fix, which the feds them done a watch squash, which the feds them just done a watch you, and then you go pa nightly fix, dry snitch for yourself and make nightly fix know say you and your family have to run away from Jamaica. You run away from the Jamaican government. You run from Dr. Harris Strong. The man say tree border, him and his family go, and them don't know say squash go through the border already. And now enough somebody name a pre-squash father, enough somebody not in the know say squash 6ixBoss father. Then at the United States. That's why we tell them, low the phone, low the internet. The man shouldn't keep a low key. Plus the man decides say more go court, knowing say him illegal, knowing say ICE watch them, knowing say ICE pre them. Yes, you want to support your son, but your son don't get locked down. Your son don't get bite already. If you get bite, it a go rough for your son. So Squash 6ixBoss father go court and them arrest him at the courthouse. The feds them get ICE immigration agent for running past Squash 6ixBoss father and arrest him. So I saw Squash 6ixBoss father get arrest because in chat too much. The same nightly fix interview when go do fi clout and come out a chat, come out a talk and find himself in a certain situation, and the same situation, the same interview make him get locked up. Now the feds them can use the interview against him because in the interview in saying illegal, in the interview in say him and his family go through the border. Also, when them check and I look for Squash 6ixBoss father, then can't find him in a system. So it look like the name when him a go by, them can't find Squash 6ixBoss father name Mr. Whitaker, but him there in the system. But me don't know if him enter the country in a wrong name. We don't know if Whitaker in right name. We don't know what go on with him. But him lost in the system right now. Them can't find him because of Wagwan. So we don't know if I choose Squash, snitch, and I call up people name, and I inform on people, and I talk. We don't know Wagwan, but we know in there in a system, but him name now pop up. We don't know if I because Squash 6ixBoss case a gwan, and he no get sentenced yet or what. So we don't know if I because him get locked up, why Squash 6ixBoss have to take the plea deal, cause Squash 6ixBoss no want him father if he go back a Jamaica, cause the man a run for Harris Chang, the JLP and Andrew Holness. Worst in company interview, call up Andrew them name, style up Andrew them. It a go worse. So probably Squash could have fight the case, even though we know it's a crazy evidence did it. But when he see father get suck off, pause, and then his father go get deport, probably that's why Squash have to just accept the plea deal, because I know him one in there. Squash no saying father no bill like that, but now the father they in a ICE custody. Also we see Squash make a post where the man say happy birthday to him son, happy birthday to in young king. Squash son become 1 year old, and Squash pick up crime and violence, and his son first birthday, and the man no did it fi celebrate with him son. The man no did it fi carry out him son got Chuck E. Cheese, or even buy him son a birthday cake, or even daddy birthday party. And we not like that, because we is a father, and it's not a good look, and we understand that. That's why when you get your youths them, you have to love certain friend. You have to love badness. You have to love the street and pay attention to your family. Squash 6ixBoss have around 5 kids, and the youngest one just turned 1 year old, and the man a go miss him son first birthday. So we know him a try stay strong, but the youth a go miss him father, and the youth know say him father no did it. Plus that really a tough, that really a dirty. It's not a good look for you miss your son birthday upon your son birthday, you're there behind bars. So we are say Squash and other youths out there, we are watching video, low badness, low crime and violence. Crime and violence no pay. Put your family first. No for no one on fi dey home with the family, on fi dey home with no woman, on gonna party, on gonna all over the place and take up badness. Plus Squash 6ixBoss, they don't know say him hot already. Don't know say feds are preem. Don't know ice are preem. Don't know say bad man are preem. But because a friend he find himself in a certain situation, you have money, you have house, you have a nice girl, you have your family, more while you have to bill and love certain people. Once you start get on the youth them, put on the youth them first. We see where Vice Cartel kids them go through 13 years, then no see them father. A years them a struggle, graduation, birthday party, all type of stuff. Cartel missing. Even though when did it on the phone or I give money, but he missing out. A big gap then at the youth them life when missing out pan. And now Squash 6ixBoss, the same thing happened to him. Him son first birthday, and him no did if you wish him happy first birthday. He no did if you help him cut the cake. He no did if you help him blow out the candle. That is not a good look. That's why I say the street is undefeated. The internet is undefeated. Put on your family first. Put on your wife first. And just understand on yourself. Badness no pay. Prisoner no better rules, bro. Family come first. People tell me what they thinking in the comment section. Jump Out TV production. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.